Mira, hi Dri, the lead man.
I don't know about the real boss for our film, but the real boss of our lives. I'm sure there are many of them here. Who do you think?
By the way, she's been my boss for.
Oh, shut up. Rubbish. But I think for today, the real bosses of our lives are our teachers because it's the 5th of September and it's Teachers' Day. Teachers are the bosses for today, so let's go. Woohoo for teachers.
And I think we have to, we've been given, at least we've been given the honor of introducing one of your teachers who I think is very, I think, really important to all of you. And I think she is the star of the evening. Please give it up for Anju ma'am. I think just show, you have to show her how much you love her. Come on, you can just shout and tell her how much you love her.
So for me, Boss was great fun because it's the first really big scale masala film I've done. And I hope you've all seen the Boss trailer. Have you? So I think the Boss has everything. It has comedy, drama, a lot of action. And I think the two of us bring in some relief in the form of romance.
Right, and you're wearing a bikini also. That's quite a lot of relief.
That I am. Boss मैं नहीं बनी हूँ, Boss अक्षय सब बने. लेकिन I think Murder 3 के बाद ये मुझे this was the film that excited me the most. मैंने ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म कभी करी नहीं थी और मुझे करनी थी. मजा आता है और स्केल भी ऐसा है. It reaches out to more people. और हम एक्टिंग क्यों करते हैं? नहीं तो हम बाथरूम में लाइट चला के एक्टिंग कर सकते हैं. हम एक्टिंग इसलिए करते हैं because we want everybody's love and we want people to love us and we want the audiences to keep us in their heart. So जब ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म है जो सबको पहुंचती है, I think that's when hopefully it works for us as actors. Actually, you know, bikini is just another garment. Honestly, I mean, I'm sure every girl who swims over here has worn a bikini when she's in a pool. And you do wear a bikini in a pool, you don't wear a gown. So I think जो हुआ बनाते हैं बिकिनी के ऊपर, I think वो चले जाना चाहिए because that is in fact the wrong way to look at it. It's just a garment. It's a very beautiful garment. और एक लड़की के लिए to be happy with her body and to be happy with her femininity is fine. In fact, I feel that everybody today should grow up and just treat a bikini like any other piece of clothing. And I've been wearing a bikini since I was a kid in a pool, so I was honestly very comfortable. They kept a very nice close set. They were very good. They were very understanding. और मैंने 5 महीने बहुत मतलब वर्कआउट भी किया था. तो I was only thinking about कि अभी खत्म हो और कब मैं अपना पिज़्ज़ा का स्लाइस खाऊं. That's all I was thinking.
Actually, मैंने अक्षय के साथ काम करके ये सीखा है कि I think I don't think I realized कि what a big superstar he is till I actually faced the camera with him क्योंकि मैं उनको पिछले साल अक्टूबर से जानता हूँ and वो बहुत ही unassuming किस्म के आदमी हैं. I think the thing with Akshay is that उनकी जो पर्सनालिटी है वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड काम एंड सिक्योर किस्म की पर्सनालिटी है कि आई थिंक यू कांट हेल्प बट काइंड ऑफ बी इनामर्ड बाय हिम एंड काइंड ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट हिम एंड लुक अप टू हिम and which is what I've learned from him, which is I think what I will take into my own learnings. I mean शैतान को चलिए शायद थोड़े बहुत लोगों ने देखा होगा लेकिन I think बॉस जैसी फिल्म से क्या होता है कि as an actor especially मैं I mean young actor I think मुझे एक बैलेंस करना चाहिए कमर्शियल फिल्मों के बीच में हाई कॉन्सेप्ट फिल्म्स के बीच में. शैतान बीइंग अ हाई कॉन्सेप्ट फिल्म एक टाइम होता था कि मैं सोचता था कि अब सही वक्त है ये करने का. अब यू नो आई थिंक लाइफ में जब तक वैसे सोचता था ना कि जब भी प्लानिंग करके चलता हूँ तो इतना मेरी प्लान ना कभी प्रॉपरली होते नहीं थे. तो मैंने अब आई जस्ट लेफ्ट इट टू फेट.